Hey pals, I'm back with another video. It's really raining. Today is June 19th, 2025, and it's really blowing and raining. Woo! We are getting a severe storm right now. Whoosh! It is really blowing and blowing. Woo! It's really coming down. Oof. We had nice weather today. Pretty decent temperature, just really muggy. Ow! It is really blowing, guys. Yeah, it's blowing. It's blowing like crazy. It's really cooled off, that's for sure. I'm not sure what the wind mileage is, but yeah, it's really blowing. It's really blowing the wind. Yeah, we're in a severe thunderstorm watch, and my phone weather said we could get a little bit of hail. Coming onto my porch. Instant puddles out here in front of my house here. Just blowing and blowing. Oof. It's only about not quite 8:30 and the street lights are on already. It's blowing like crazy. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe, and make sure to turn on the channel notifications. That way you're notified when I do a new video.